Earth and found in all Earth existence. So carbon cycle is the process in which carbon travels. So yung carbon po is yung hangin na nagta-travels in our atmosphere. So pag sinabi natin atmosphere is yung kalawakan natin. And also in form of CO2, which means the carbon dioxide from atmosphere into organisms in Earth and then back into atmosphere. So yun yung sinabi ko kanina, yung kalawakan yung carbon, which is the atmosphere. Also initially discovered by Joseph Priestley and Antoine Lavoisier. But sila yung naka-discover, but ang nakapag-popularize ng carbon is si Humphrey Davy. So now, the carbon cycle will be discussed by Ate Genevieve. Ate Genevieve.
So today I will be discussing the carbon cycle. First, meron tayo dito yung magsisimula yung carbon cycle sa atmosphere, which is yung carbon na absorb ng plants, which is yun yung naging way para mag-produce ng food na na-intake ng animals and plants. And yun yung photosynthesis na tinatawag. And then, susunod naman is yung kapag yung respiration, kapag sinabi kasi natin respiration, ito yung exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide sa ating surroundings. Sa naman, sa plants, kaya nagkakaroon ng respiration is yung kapag na-absorb na ng plants, yung carbon, tayo naman mga tao at animals, kinakain natin yun, kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng carbon sa katawan, which is kapag nirelease na natin is babalik yung sa atmosphere. Ganun din po yung sa iba't ibang parte ng Earth, mag-benefit sila, which is i-discuss ng mga kagrupo ko mamaya yung pagkasunod-sunod ng processing ng carbon cycle.
So, processes that transfer carbon. So these are the steps para malaman natin yung about sa carbon cycles. So ito yung mga pagkasunod-sunod niya. So between Earth systems, we have photosynthesis. So pag sinabi natin photosynthesis, ito yung plants pull carbon from the atmosphere or hydrosphere. So it is used to make food.
Earth, land, and ocean surface sit on several moving crystal plates. When the plates collide on the sea, benefits the other and the rock, it melt under the speed and heat. Di ba kunyari pag umuulan, tas yung mga iba nagla-landslide, kasi nagpa-fall yung mga ibang mga buhangin na galing sa bundok. Carbon in the ocean. The total amount of the carbon in the ocean is about 50 times greater than the amount of the atmosphere. And exchange with the atmosphere on the time scales of the several hundred carbon atoms are the constantly being through the earth, ocean by a number of physical and biological processes. Store carbon on ocean floor. Carbon dioxide is naturally stored in the ocean. Through the chemical process, either has a dissolved gas over the long time scale, has carbonate sediments of the seafloor. In fact, more than 70% of current CO2 will eventually end up in the ocean.
So, ito naman po yung carbon cycle diagram natin, which is parang same lang din po sa past lesson natin, which is yung food web. From carbon in the atmosphere na napapass through the air, yung plants absorb na yung mga carbon. And yun yung nagkakaroon na din yung photosynthesis, which is yung food making. And na-absorb ng animals or ng kakain nila, na-absorb nila yung carbons. Pag namatay naman yung mga plants and animals, yun yung nade-decompose. Bodies does not decompose after many years, be part of the oil or coal deposits. Parang yung sinabi ni Miss Catherine kanina na yung mga natitira or yung mga fossils is nagiging part na sila ng mga soil natin, which is parang naging serve as fertilizer minsan sa mga soil natin or sa oceans. So after nun ma-decompose yung mga animals or humans, yung mga part lang kasi ng fossils nila, yun yung maiiwan and then yung the rest is babalik siya sa atmosphere kung saan nag-start yung carbon.
Human impact. So, under balanced conditions, fossil fuels release carbon stores very slowly into atmosphere. When humans burn fossil fuels, it releases a tremendous amount of carbon into atmosphere over a very short time span. So, pag nag-burn daw tayo ng fossil fuels, nagre-release ito ng madaming carbon and pumupunta siya dun sa atmosphere. So, increased carbon dioxide in atmospheres increase global warming. So, ang kapag nag-i-increase ang carbon dioxide, nag-i-increase din ang global warming. So, next is fewer plants means carbon dioxide is removed from atmosphere. The next is importance of carbon cycle. Despite being present in just tiny amount in the atmosphere, carbon dioxide is essential for energy balancing and traps ion G-wave solar radiation. As a result, it covers the planet like a blanket. The disruption of the carbon cycle will have the major repercussions including climatic shift and global warming. So, ang carbon ay it regulates the earth temperature and carbon also make up the food that sustains us Without it, life on Earth, as we know, it would be in danger of being destroyed. So, yung carbon is mahalaga sa atin kasi siya yung dahilan din kung bakit tayo nabubuhay. So, we must protect our nature. So, things we can do to reduce your carbon footprint. So, first, we have your promote plant life, especially trees. So, kailangan natin magtanim ng mga daming puno. Next is, buy a fuels efficient vehicle. So, yung bibili tayo, yung gagamitin natin, katulad ng yung gasolina gagamitin natin para sa mga vehicles. Next is, purchase locally grown food. Dapat yung binibili natin is yung mga grown food, example, yung mga meat, chicken, yung mga egg, at iba pa. Next is the reduce electricity use. So, if hindi naman natin ginagamit yung kuryente, pwede naman natin itong patayin. Next is reduce how far much we drive. Kung minsan, bawas-bawasan din natin yung pamasyal-pasyal, yung namamasyal dun sa malalayo. Next is take less airplanes trip. So, if you do travel by plane, one way you can reduce your emission is by looking at non-stop flight because non-stop take the most direct route to the destination. They require less fuels than itineraries with multiple legs. Next is reduce, reuse, and recycle. So, if mas maganda na yung gamitin natin is yung mga paper bags kaysa doon sa plastic bags. So, dun sa reuse naman is, if may mga eco bag ka dun sa bahay nyo, is pwede mo naman siyang kunin, pwede mo ulit gamitin. Then, sa recycle is, pwede natin yung mga plastic, pwede natin itong i-recycle para ibenta natin or pwede din natin gawing decoration at